Are you working hard in the gym but not seeing the muscle gains you want? The problem might not be your workout, it could be your diet. In this video, we'll break down the best muscle-building foods that will fuel your strength and growth, plus the biggest mistakes you need to avoid. Lean proteins, the foundation of muscle growth. Protein is the key nutrient for muscle repair and growth. Without enough protein, your muscles won't recover properly from workouts, leading to slower gains. Best sources of lean protein. Chicken breast, high in protein and low in fat, perfect for lean muscle. Eggs packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats. Salmon provides protein and omega-3 salve for muscle recovery. Greek yogurt contains casein and whey protein, ideal for sustained muscle repair. Lean beef, rich in protein, iron, and creatine for strength. 2. Complex carbs, your energy source for workouts. Carbs are essential for muscle growth because they provide glycogen, the main fuel for your muscles. Without enough carbs, you'll feel fatigued and struggle to lift heavy. Best sources of complex carbs. Brown rice, a great slow-digesting carb for long-lasting energy. Quinoa contains both carbs and protein, making it a great muscle-building food. Sweet potatoes, packed with fiber, vitamins, and sustained energy. Oats, a great pre-workout meal option for energy and digestion. 3. Healthy fats, essential for hormone production. Healthy fats support testosterone production, which plays a big role in muscle growth. They also provide a dense energy source for your body. Best sources of healthy fats. Avocados, rich in renowned saturated fats and potassium for muscle function. Nuts, almonds, walnuts. Cashews, great for snacking and packed with healthy fats. Olive oil supports heart health and reduces inflammation. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel. Tuna, high in omega-3 salve, which help with muscle recovery. 4. Hydration and electrolytes, the underrated game changer. Water plays a huge role in muscle function, recovery, and overall performance. Dehydration leads to poor strength and endurance. Best sources of hydration and electrolytes. Water, always the #1 choice for staying hydrated. Coconut water, a natural source of electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. Bananas, high in potassium, which prevents muscle cramps. Leafy green spinach, kale provide minerals that help with muscle contractions. 5. Muscle building supplements bonus tip. While whole foods should be your main focus, supplements can help fill the gaps in your diet. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's talk about the mistakes that are holding you back. Not eating enough calories. You need a surplus to grow muscle. Skipping protein timing. Have protein after workouts for better recovery. Neglecting sleep. Your muscles grow while you rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Overtraining without recovery. More is not always better. Let muscles recover. Ignoring micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals matter for muscle function. Best muscle-building supplements. Whey protein, a quick and effective way to hit your daily protein goals. Creatine helps improve strength and muscle recovery. BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids, support muscle repair and reduce soreness. Multivitamins ensure you're getting all essential nutrients. Eating the right foods is just as important as training hard in the gym. Focus on a balanced diet that includes lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. And don't forget to stay hydrated. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness content. What's your favorite muscle building meal? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video.